A cause and effect diagram maps out the causes of a certain event, which in many cases is a problem that a person or business is trying to figure out. These factors are identified to determine sources of variation in a process, design, or system. Causes are grouped into major categories to identify these sources of variation and often include factors like people, methods, measurements, materials, machines, and environment. To get started, select New Document here on the left and choose the Tree Diagrams category of visuals. You'll see templates here for Ishikawa and fishbone diagrams, which are other names for cause and effect diagrams. We'll start with the basic template in this case, to map out the causes of a product failure. The template starts you out with the basic cause and effect structure and tools in the Smart panel that will help you customize your diagram. First, let's identify the problem. Click on the box and type in product failure. To list some examples of product failure, click on Add Text in the Smart panel and click and type under the box. Now we want to add more causes to our diagram. Just click Add Cause in the Smart panel to add another perfectly formatted branch. Click Add Detail to add more details to your branch. Continue to add however many causes and details you think you'll need. If you want to get rid of a detail or cause, just click Delete Detail or Delete Cause, and they go away while the diagram reformats itself automatically. Now we'll identify the causes of our problem. Click on the first box and type it in. And do the same for the rest. Click on a detail to type in further information, and tab through the rest of them to further break down each cause. It's easy to move a detail around if you determine it belongs under a different cause. Just click on it and move it to a new position. As you approach the new part of the visual, connection points and dashed lines appear, showing the positions where you can place the detail. Release the detail once it snaps to the desired connection point. The other details and causes adjust to accommodate the newly placed detail. You can also manually adjust the size and spacing of the spine and branches. Click on a line and drag the black bar to adjust. All the branches of the cause adjust accordingly. Drag the white shape to adjust the space between the causes. To change the branch style, choose from one of the branch style options here in the Smart panel, and the diagram automatically shifts to that format. You can change the shape of your symbols by selecting them and choosing an option under Change Shape. You can further customize the diagram by selecting different quick styles or choosing a different option from one of SmartDraw's professional-looking themes. Cause and effect analysis provides a structured way for you and your business to figure out all possible causes of a problem situation and makes it easier to find a solution. And no software makes cause and effect diagrams more quickly and easily than SmartDraw.